Hey guys! Welcome to the pyforall channel. My name is Nicolas, and in this video I will show you how to fix the error. qt.qpa.plugin could not find the Qt platform plugin Windows in. This application failed to start because no Qt platform plugin could be initialized. Reinstalling the application may and copy.dll file may fix this problem, but in this case it did not work for me. In this video I will show a solution that worked for me. Here I am using Visual Studio Code and Windows 11, but you can use Windows 10 and your favorite editor. In Visual Studio Code, let's switch the virtual environment interpreter to the root Python interpreter. Now let's install Pyside 6. In my case I already have it installed. Now let's select the Python interpreter from the virtual environment again. Then we will access the plugins folder in the Pyside 6 lib. Now let's access the environment variables and create a new variable with the name that I will leave in the description of this video. Now let's paste the path of the folder where the plugins are in the variable, save and close. Now let's restart Visual Studio and test to see if everything went well. Problem solved. Leave in the comments if this video helped you to solve the plugin problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you soon. Thanks for watching.